Hey guys, what's up? This is Trevor from DNTR Tech TV, and I have a simulation for you today. It is a developer preview of the long-awaited and anticipated Windows 8. Now, you're going to need a couple files, of course, before you can get this. You're going to need the Windows 8 ISO file, and you're going to need VirtualBox. And I'm going to provide those links in the description, and that's Drew chatting me on Skype like an idiot. Okay, so anyways, you're gonna need to download these two items. So once you've done that, go ahead and open up the VirtualBox Manager / Simulator, whatever you want to call it, and you're going to need to go to New, and you're gonna have to walk through the steps, and you're gonna need to name it something. So I'm gonna name it Windows 8, which the other one's Windows. Now, you're going to need to go, alright, it is Microsoft Windows, it's none of these others, unless you have a Mac or Linux or something. But if it's something else, make sure to change that, and whatever version it is of that, I'm running Windows 7 64-bit, go ahead and hit that. You're going to hit Next, and now you're going to configure the memory. RAM for, backgrounding and everything for processes. So you want to make this, once you get into this red zone, it starts really filling up, and this pink zone, they don't want you to do that. So I have 6144, so I did mine, and you can edit this over here too. I did 2000, and I put it there, and I hit next, and you're going to just hit next again, then you're going to hit next again, and then fixed size, and you're going to save this in the location of Windows 8. This is for the hard disk that you want to create, or the virtual disk, sorry. This is what's going to take up place on your C drive. So you don't want to really fill that up too much, but just go ahead and hit next, hit create. Okay, once you've done that, hit create. I've already made it, so you don't want to do that. And once you create it, that should be pretty much it. And once it comes up, it should have it right there, and it should say it's powered off, of course, because you're not using it. So just double click that. You might get a few errors and everything. That's because I moved my 64-bit Windows Developer Preview ISO file. I know I did that, but it still works perfectly fine. But I'm going to leave some of the exploring for this for you guys, because that's the fun part. It should start up. Here we go. Okay, and this is the lock screen here, and just slide that up, and now you got to put in your password. Alright, it'll take, you have to go through the first run start, so yours is going to take a little while because it has to do all this other stuff. But once you do that, you should get this menu style here, have a scrolling bar, and this is your desktop. Here we go. There's the Windows button, Internet Explorer. It works almost exactly like Windows 7. There's a few minor details that they've, done. Like when you open up a Explorer, the top is different. It's like Microsoft, Windows, Excel, all that other stuff. And that's what it mostly looks like. But then this here, you go down into the bottom corner, and you have these extra menus and everything, and you just click it and it takes you right back here. And that's pretty much it, guys, of the thing here. But I mean, some of the things you're gonna have to look at for yourself. This is just a preview, this is not final. This is supposed to be going on tablets, if you couldn't tell, so they're gonna have to integrate that in a way, but I'm sure they're up for it. But anyways, go ahead and power it off here. Shut down. and it does make Windows 7 noises, of course. They don't want to spoil it too much. But anyways, it's powered off again, and that's pretty much it, guys. So thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe, like the video, favorite it, and if you have any questions, comments, concerns, please put them in the comment section below. I will have the files you need in the description. But until the next video, this is Trevor, and I'll talk to you later.